accidentally linked the wrong WhatsApp number to your Aisensy account, or just need to switch things up? Don't worry. We'll show you how to unlink it in a snap. First, head over to your Aisensy dashboard and locate your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Profile Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account details. Now, look for a section labeled something like WhatsApp Numbers, Connected Numbers, or simply WhatsApp. This is where your linked WhatsApp numbers are listed. You should see the WhatsApp number you want to remove. Next to it, there will be a Delete or Remove button. Click on that button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you want to remove the number. This is a crucial step to ensure you don't accidentally remove the wrong one, so take a moment to read the message carefully. If you're sure you want to remove the number, click Confirm or Yes on the pop-up. The system will process your request, and the number will be unlinked from your Aisensy account. And that's it. The WhatsApp number should now be removed from your Aisensy account. Remember to double-check that the number is no longer listed under your WhatsApp number settings. Now you are all set. Subscribe for more useful Aisensy tips and tricks to optimize your account.